Assalamu-Alaikum. I hope you all are good. My name is Mumtaz and I am a student from class 3. Today I will talk about those national heroes whom we should follow in our lives. They have a clear vision and committed to attain their objectives. They experience teachers to know the hope in difficult situations. They are praised for their courage. What is hero? We can say a hero is a person who is admired and acknowledged for their courage, outstanding achievements and noble qualities. Why we should follow them? We should follow them because they help us to define the limits of our aspirations. Here I am to tell you the names of our real heroes. Our first one and only hero of this Islamic homeland is Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, who is the root of Islam and this land Pakistan. After him, I can say the names of our other supernational heroes like Assalam, Allama, Dr. Kareen Khan, Ajib Bhatti Shahid, Rashid Hashim, Dr. Abdul Salam, and Imran Khan. We have a lot of national heroes whom we should follow. As Azam said, people who have no, there are two paths in the world. One is the sword and the other is pen. So we are nothing but education. We have to work hard like him to make our country proud as whole world. As Ramal Bal said, people who have no hope over the process of thinking are likely to be driven by the body of thoughts. And he also said, if there is no security, there is no life for him who does not adhere to religion. Now it is our duty to study honestly and follow our national heroes to make our country one of the best countries in the world. Thank you.